In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log out from all devices in Outlook. If you've signed into Outlook on multiple computers or mobile devices and want to make sure nothing else stays connected, this walkthrough will show you how to manage that from your Microsoft account. We'll go from Outlook on the web to your account dashboard, then remove device access so those sessions can't use your Outlook anymore. Start by opening your browser and going to outlook.live.com. Sign into your Outlook account if you're not already. Once your mailbox loads, look to the top right corner of the page and click your profile picture or initials. That opens a small menu with options related to your account. From that menu, choose My Microsoft Account. This takes you out of the mailbox and over to your Microsoft account dashboard in a new tab. You might be asked to verify your identity. Go ahead and complete any prompt you see. This dashboard is where you manage your identity, security, and the devices that can access Microsoft services like Outlook. On the dashboard, find and select the Devices section. This area lists the phones, tablets, and computers that are linked to your Microsoft account. Each device typically shows a name, platform, and sometimes the last activity. Take a moment to scan through and identify the ones you want to remove access from. On each device card, you'll see a Remove this device button. Click that button to revoke the device's access. Confirm the prompt when asked. Removing a device tells Microsoft to unlink it from your account so it can no longer use your Outlook, OneDrive, or other connected services under this sign-in. If your goal is to sign out everywhere, repeat this remove action for each device you no longer want connected. A few notes to keep in mind. Removing a device won't delete files on that device, but it stops that device from using your account going forward. Changes may take a short time to propagate. So, if someone tries to open Outlook on a removed device, they'll be asked to sign in again. If you don't recognize something in the list, remove it right away. Afterward, it's a good idea to review your security settings and consider turning on two-step verification to add an extra layer of protection. That's it. You went from Outlook on the web, opened your Microsoft account, navigated to devices, and used the Remove This Device option to sign out and block access on the devices you selected. Thanks for watching, and stay safe with your accounts.